to my channel. I feel like I haven't been at Home Depot in forever, so I thought I would stop by and see what gems we can find. I'm not sure if I'll find anything that I really want, but if I do find a fall succulent arrangement in a pumpkin or something like that, I might have to get that. So let's see what we have over here. So outside we have some of them. These what size are these? These are not a gallon. I guess these are half a gallon. What are these? Are these blue elf? Pachiveria Claire. That's Pachiveria Claire. This is California Sunset. Is it? No. Yeah, it is California Sunset. And then the blue chopsticks, fire sticks. This one is Good Luck Plant Royal Red. This one's pretty. This one's different than the one I have. Mine is just green, but this is really pretty. I like these colors. This is the gallon. This gallon is $15, and then these are $7. Okay, let's go check inside. See, some of these I've seen before. Those are colorful ones. Boo to that. Look at this beauty. She's so pretty and big. That's a pretty big one. See how big it is? But it's got the ugly flowers. I just don't know when will the company who puts the flowers on it gets it that we don't want the flowers. Let me see what's the name of this cactus. Oh, but the hairs on these cactus. Oh my gosh, it's annoying, and it's already touching me. No! Look, I got it on my finger, on my thumb. Hold on, that again. Let's go see what they have on this side. I'm sorry, guys. It's in the morning, so they're using the blower. Look at the cute barrels. $10. Those are so cute. Okay, I might have to get that. I might have to. Oh, this one's got a lot there. I think these are 20. I just want to make sure that they're 20. Hold on. Yep, they're 20. I think that's a really good deal. Look, they made this look better. I like it. Much, much better. See what they have over here. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. And to think that they might let it die if someone doesn't purchase it soon. Look at how pretty this is. $130. It's huge. Double spackle. Oh, this one is green. I like these. I want to get one. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it yet. I've always wanted one of these too, but I don't want to fork over the $15 for it. I still want to. Arrangements. Let's go check over here and then I'll come back to the other side. $2.98 plants. Hopefully I got here on time. You just gotta get them early as soon as they come in. Look, those are Echeveria Debbie's, and they don't look too bad. Let's see. Yeah, Echeveria Debbie's. Can you see it? So pretty. Ooh. She looks really pretty. I don't know, I need a cart, I think. I might get something. They have these arrangements. I'm surprised they don't have like some fall theme arrangement, like a pumpkin or something. These are $20. Not bad, but look at this. I can't tell right now if this is like bleached from the sun or overwatered. I can't tell. A lot of noise. Look at these. That's cute. How much is that? Oh, $13. That's not bad. $13 and you get 1, 2, 3, 6 plants. That's good. It's almost $2 a plant. This is for this one. Yeah. I wonder if they have more of those over here. The $12 ones. No, these are bigger. These will cost more. These are 20. These little trays are 20. I don't see the other one. This is a nice tray too. It's very pretty. Oh, this one is cheaper too. And it's got some really cool looking plants. There's just one plant that's missing there. I don't even know if you guys can see or hear me because of all the noise and the sun blaring. So I don't know if you guys could see what I'm showing you. Let me come back over here now that the person that was working there is not there no more. Or I don't know if he's working or buying. I can't tell. Oh my gosh, look what they did to this poor thing. That is so sad. Oh, here are some of the $12 ones, but they don't look too good. They look like they've been here for a while. They look stretched out. And like they've been here for a while. This one looks good. Oh, there's that one over there looks pretty good. In there. Okay. Here we have elephant bush, and this one that I really like is the scallop, something scallop. Let's see what it's called. Where's the tag? It normally has a tag. I don't know what happened to the tag. It usually always has a tag. I like that one. Let's see. I don't think I have this. Yeah, this is the dwarf ghost plant. So I know I don't have that one. Not too crazy for the way it looks, so it looks pretty stretched out. Look at these. These are pretty cool. Hairy little things. So you can see where, you know, where they propagated. Look at that. You can brush the hair on this. So pretty. They did a great job on that. Let's see what this is. This is what the dwarf ghost plant is supposed to look like. See how compact and chubby it is? That's what was supposed to look like. Okay. So I yapped and yapped for like 20 minutes with the guy from Altman's. He's there fixing all the plants and moving plants around, and I had such a good conversation with him, and I got his number so that he could let me know when new stuff is coming. So yeah, for that. And I also asked him, give me 1 second. Hey guys, so I'm back in my car. I'm sorry for the angle of the camera right now. Like, that's the best position I have for it. But anyways, like I was telling you, so I went ahead and asked them if they're bringing anything for fall, like a pumpkin arrangement or something. Let me drop my thing. A pumpkin arrangement or something. And he said yes. So I am so excited for that. So I was gonna get another plant, but then I'm like, no, let me wait until they bring that on Monday. So I'm gonna come over here on Monday and look at what they bring. He showed me the display on his phone and what it's gonna look like. It's beautiful. It's a pumpkin. I don't know if it's a real pumpkin or not. I'm pretty sure it's not a real pumpkin. So I'm super excited about that, guys. So I can't wait to go. I can't wait to get that. So I only got the golden barrel. Now I am on my way to Michael's because they have 60% off right now on their fake pumpkins, and I really need like 2 more or something like that. So I'm gonna go get that, and then I'm going to school to volunteer for the rest of the day. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.